Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Bluetooth and location on your phone or laptop. This gives you the necessary radio and permissions. Next, power cycle the forgotten device and force it into pairing or discoverable mode so it broadcasts. Open the system Bluetooth panel or a scanner app and begin an active scan. You do this now to capture transient broadcasts. Once visible, note the MAC/name so you can identify it later. These identifiers explain why you locate one device among many. Once scanning, focus on signal strength and freshness. Higher RSSI and recent timestamps point to nearby active devices. Use the MAC prefix to infer vendor and narrow candidates, because that lets you exclude unrelated appliances. Move around slowly while watching RSSI change. A consistent increase proves proximity and helps you isolate the exact item. If multiple similar names appear, temporarily disable suspected devices one by one to confirm. To recover the device, first remove stale pairings on your host to avoid conflicts, then reinitiate pairing while the target remains discoverable. If standard scans fail, use a dedicated Bluetooth sniffer or app with active probing to reveal hidden or low-duty cycle broadcasts. Once paired, make sure firmware and permissions are up to date so it stays visible. If nothing works, reset the device to factory, replace batteries, or inspect the antenna. These fixes resolve most connection failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.